My video will provide you with help to remove the new ransomware called MoneyIsTime. This is the ransomware that attacks many Windows computers today. This ransomware is able to damage the files that people store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware's attack, people are able to open their files without any troubles. So pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data, all that can be opened easily without troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this MoneyIsTime ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. Of course, before the ransomware's attack, there are no troubles to open the files, but very soon this ransomware, MoneyIsTime, may be very easily injected into the system. And so very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. The files very soon get damaged and encrypted by this ransomware. So the ransomware encrypts the files, and also it reveals a special ransom note called readme.txt, and the ransom note contains ransomware's requirements. The ransom note indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration, but of course paying the ransom is not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. But still, the files are encrypted by this ransomware, and there is still a trouble opening the files. Now, once again, remember what I have told you before. Don't pay the ransom, because this is just the waste of your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, and only a quick scan option is available in the trial mode after you launch it for the first time. So the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this particular ransomware or any other types of ransomware threats. So just wait until the antivirus database is successfully updated, and then the application will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues, and definitely what is exceptionally valuable Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.